Hi, this is Nazif, chef of the Nazif'S Grill. Today I am going to show you how to prepare catering for 200 guests. Today I am going to cook finger kebab. It's beef with tomato sauce and orange, and mashed potato, fried eggplant, and garnitures. Another plate is mixed appetizer plate, and it's include lentil balls, a kind of pastry. We say cigarette börek. It's a fillet dough stuffed with cheese and fried, and labne, and then hummus. And we have as a dessert baklava with apple and walnut and cinnamon. Now let me show you my preparation process. Follow me. Now we are gonna let them to cook around 1 hour. Now I'm making cigarette rolls, we say, and it's a fillet dough, and I fill inside with feta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and parsley, and I roll it, and then we will fry with oil. It's a good appetizer. Now this is the dessert, baklava with apple and cinnamon and walnuts. Now my catering is ready to serve for 200 guests.